Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, JIAT. I just. Come on! Are you kidding me? Stop! You're ruining my vibe! Oh! Anyway, this is the new. I'm kind of. Now, you damn it, you blew my whole vibe. Alright. Anyway, hot and spicy. New Act 2. I buy Act 2 microwave popcorn, by the way. It's very affordable. It's decent popcorn. I don't get into that whole Redenbacher guff. I don't fall for that. Anyway, this is new. I don't think I've seen. I'm sure there is a bunch. But I don't think I've ever seen this as a product. Hot and spicy microwave popcorn. I mean, what are you going to do? Anyway, I popped some. I'm telling you, that phone just blew my vibe. I should just stop the tape, but I can't. I don't want to. I'm too damn lazy. Anyway, here we go. Act 2, hot and spicy. You know what? I really am hoping that it's mildly spicy. It's not the Flamin' Hot brand, so I don't know what it's gonna lean towards. I want mildly spicy, and I don't think it's gonna be. All right, here we go. Act 2, hot and spicy. Is it gonna open? How do you open this shit? All right, here we go. Can you see it? Can you see in there? That's pretty red popcorn. All right. Oh my goodness. Man, I want to buy it so you can just live life vicariously through me and not buy it. But sometimes I just don't even want to do it. It was, it wasn't even, it was cheap. Oh, damn. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at my hands. Jeez Louise. What? All right. Still no. It. It's got a really nice flavor. It's not like that vinegary flaming hot. And it's kind of, I don't know. Hold on, I'm trying not to assess it yet. Um, I don't know. It's right there. It's right on the edge. It's almost uncomfortable, but then it keeps backing off. Wow. I don't know what to do. All right, I think I've taken it I've taken long enough. I keep waiting, and you know what? It's right there. It keeps going like, oh man, this is gonna be really bad. But then it's like, stop it. It's kind of uncomfortable now. Yeah. Well, oh my god, look at that. Yeah, ridiculous. Okay, other than your stain, that's ridiculous. Stain on your damn hands. It is almost. It's not. It's almost. It might be. I don't know. It's almost too hot, but it's not. You know what? It's backed up. It just. I don't know. I don't know. It's right there. Right there. It's nice, actually. It's not that bad. But it kind of, man, I'm telling you, God damn it, I can't put my finger on it. Ooh, God. But my fingers are actually literally stained. It's good. It's really good, actually. Nah, it's so right to the edge. It's almost so damn hot. 8.4. Love you guys. Love you, babe.